Quick easy tip: how to compress twist style brake caliper piston without specialty tool. We are working on 2018 Ford F150. Unfortunately, on this type of caliper you cannot use your generic classic brake caliper piston compressor, but we'll show you pretty easy. You will like it. Without further ado, let's get started. Right, you need a set of long enough needle nose pliers, and as you can see, the piston has a grooves for the specialty tool to set up, but without a tool we're using just the pliers. Get a good grip and start turning the piston clockwise, exactly what I'm doing, and slowly, little by little, that piston will get compressed. You have to keep going until piston reaches the bottom end position. It will stop. It won't go any further. Be careful not to damage rubber dust boot. Just be careful. Alright, as you can see, it's going pretty easy. Takes a little bit of time. I will speed up a process. Guys, if you're first time to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate that, and click the notification bell. Here we go. Getting easy. Yeah, most of the vehicles built after 2010 have this type of calipers, twist style. Yeah, you can go and buy specialty tools, good idea, but if you don't have one, that's fine. Before you do any brake work on Ford F150, make sure you set your vehicle into the brake service mode. I have a video, we'll put it down in the description, how to do it. Without doing that, you will cause the damage to your parking brake system. This truck equipped with the electronic parking brake. Check your owner's manual for a few more turns. Here we go. And it's still turning, and now it stopped. It won't go any further. Well, that's it. Now you can replace your hardware, put in new pads, and assemble everything back together. Nice and easy, simple. Well, guys, if you have any comments, questions, critics, suggestions, recommendations, put everything down in the comment section below under the video. Yeah, new one and old one. You see the difference, how pad worn out. Going to put everything back in place, and truck will be back on the road. Well, take care everybody, and see you next one. Bye bye. Nice.